In this lecture, we'll take a brief look at how ethnic discrimination in the form of stress can impact the health of future generations. All human beings experience stress on a daily basis. In general, responses to moderate amount of stress can be considered healthy, geared towards maintaining homeostasis and keeping us alive and well. Stress comes from many sources and has a great ability to affect our behavior and our biology. Environmental stressors such as climate, marginal environments, and resource scarcity have worked to shape our genomes over millennia and have been responsible for speciation and extinction in the hominid lineage. Cultural stressors, too, affect our behavior and biology. Substance strategies, for example, create different types of challenges that people surmount in various ways to meet basic nutritional requirements. Social inequality is an example of a cultural stressor in which different subsets of a population are treated differently within the group, owing to some perceived difference such as wealth, sex, gender, identity, or ethnicity. Disparities in diet, living conditions, child rearing, and health may all stem from social inequalities in complex societies. Researchers are increasingly aware of intergenerational effects of stress. For example, it is now appreciated that stressors during pregnancy and poor maternal and fetal health care are predictive of future chronic disease in offspring, such as coronary heart disease. Epigenetics, the study of the epigenome, examines how regions of DNA can be switched on or off depending on environmental stimuli. Epigenetics has helped to explain why identical twins are not, in fact, identical. Researchers are discovering that DNA may be imprinted in this manner in utero. That is, the stress experienced by a mother during her life may not only switch on and off certain regions of her own DNA, but regions of her future offspring's DNA as well. A social science and medicine study published in 2015 examined intergenerational effects of stress, focusing specifically on the stress caused by ethnic discrimination. In New Zealand, where the study was conducted, ethnic discrimination occurred in the context of social and political tensions among persons of European, Asian, Pacific Island, and native New Zealand descent. In their examination of stress among mother-infant cohorts, the researchers showed that women who reported the most incidences of having suffered from ethnic discrimination had higher cortisol levels throughout the day. Furthermore, their infants also exhibited overproduction of cortisol compared to infants of mothers who were less affected by ethnic discrimination during pregnancy. The likely culprit is an epigenetic mechanism affecting placental cell DNA. Today, climate change, overpopulation, nutritional disparities, hypersanitation, and some have argued social inequality and discrimination are among some of the stressors on the rise. These factors are affecting our biology and changing the environment, laying the foundation of future human evolution and the genetics to come. The fact that our culturally created constructs of inequality are imprinting future generations is harrowing but instructive. Anthropological research shows us that by working to reduce ethnic discrimination today, we may be improving the health and well-being of generations to come.